In the first few weeks of 2021, Cardano witnessed a remarkable price run, gaining roughly 600% between January and February. After Bitcoin and Ethereum, it is now the fifth largest blockchain. So will it hit $10 in the near future? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out, and also if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and also turn on all the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Is it really time to rethink Cardano's place in your portfolio? If you're searching for more significant short-term or mid-short-term gains, then the answer is yes. While if you're in it for the long haul, Cardano appears to be worth your time and money. But with ADA appearing drab on both lower and higher timeframes, how can the alt redeem itself, and what is preventing it from rallying? Innovative contract platforms like Cardano and Solana have witnessed very independent market trajectories and a general dissociation from the bigger market. Unlike many other altcoins looking for a rally to BTC gains, Cardano's rise coincided with BTC's consolidation, which was notable. In fact, as Bitcoin fluctuated above the $60,000 level and reached an all-time high during the last few weeks, ADA's trajectory appeared to be a disappointment. The ADA's correlation to BTC was at an all-time low at the time of writing, having been at an all-time low since August 2019. As a result, while ADA's separation from the market is widely regarded as a benefit, it was not. ADA has seen ATHs and larger gains whenever the correlation has been comparatively higher. Thus, it appears that this dissociating trend has worked out well for ADA. Hodlers must return to the game. According to ADA's ownership statistics, retail volumes have the most concentration, while whales have the lowest. At the time of writing, retail volume made up 73.36% of the audience, while whales made up 9.82% and investors made up 16.82%. Furthermore, after 2020, the weighted average time spent by whales has dropped. This revealed a lack of conviction in HODL, which may have influenced ADA's price recently. Nonetheless, the project has been quite active in terms of development, with over 3,260 GitHub commits in the previous week, which is higher than most other cryptocurrencies, indicating developer devotion to the project. Cardano also utilizes 0.01% of the energy used by Bitcoin, making it one of the most environmentally friendly blockchains. Overall, while ADA's long-term prospects appeared optimistic, the company needs immediate support from whales and more commitment in terms of hodling behavior. Cardano is currently trading at $1.98 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,767,254,208. In the previous 24 hours, the price of ADA has increased by 1.1%. There are 32 billion ADA coins in circulation with a total supply of 45 billion. 2021 Cardano price prediction. At the start of the year, the asset was in a bullish trend. Later, the altcoin reached an all-time high of $2.4 after the Cardano Foundation released an infographic claiming that its ADA cryptocurrency is suited for Tesla. When the stock market crashed on May 19th, the price plummeted from $2 to $1.48. The month of August started off on a positive note. After plummeting to almost $1, the digital currency has suddenly risen to retake its spot on the market rankings. With the implementation of smart contracts just around the corner, the price has been increased past $2. Cardano is now gaining popularity due to its efficient proof-of-stake mining technique, which reduces carbon emissions. If the network focuses more on sustainability, it may attract environmentally aware investors, boosting the price from $3.294 by the end of the year. However, if the network does not make any significant progress, it may just retain its current investors who are loyal to the currency because of its greater scalability and user-friendliness. In such circumstances, the price may move at a reasonable average of $2.761. On the other hand, numerous critics have raised concerns about network synchronization issues, resulting in missing transactions. If the network does not resolve the issue, the price might drop to $1.893 in the next few months. 2025 ADA price prediction. If Cardano implements its open voting mechanism in 5 years, the network may lose a segment of its traders, causing the price to plummet to $7.86. However, given that ADA has better bug avoidance measures, and if it can continue to perform effectively with the same system over time, the pricing may hover around $12.73. In the other direction, if ADA successfully identifies initiatives and collaborations that can help it strengthen its two-layer security, the price may rise. In addition, new smart contract updates may begin to perform efficiently, resulting in a maximum ADA price of $25.37 by the end of the next 5 years. As a result, the average Cardano price projection for 2025 is $10. Price prediction for Cardano in 2030. The harder it is to anticipate the outcome of a long-term investment, the more difficult it is to do so. Cardano, on the other hand, has a lot going for it. It has good changeability, a solid roadmap, a motivated and competent crew, and is environmentally friendly. All of these elements indicate that it will be around for a long time. While ADA price prediction for 2030 and beyond is unrealistic, we believe it is an excellent long-term investment. The price of ADA is expected to climb in the next few years, possibly reaching $50 by 2030. Recently, the total number of ADA wallets in the Cardano community has already surpassed 2 million as of November 2nd. As reported by U.Today, the previous all-time high of 1 million wallets was set in late May of this year. The ADA community had only 203,519 members on January 1st. As a result, on May 23rd, the growth had nearly fivefold, and it has increased by another million wallets since then. Before deploying the smart contracts functionality within the Alonzo update on September 2nd, ADA soared to a new all-time high of $3.10. One more interesting fact is that Microsoft is looking for partners like Cardano. The tech giant recently announced that a public preview of its Azure Activity Directory verifiable credentials would be available. This platform will leverage blockchain technology to create safe and decentralized identity systems in the spring of 2022. This is clearly major news in the crypto world, with Microsoft on the verge of accomplishing its objective of building a decentralized digital identification system. Blockchain technology is making significant progress towards wide-scale adoption. What exactly is Microsoft's plan? Microsoft's goal is to provide a platform that allows users to add data to its Microsoft Authenticator app. A two-factor code will safeguard this information, and it will contain your personal data. Instead, it will serve as the token that certifies the information on it. For instance, the tokens could verify your age, citizenship, or birth certificate. As a result, you can transmit these pre-verified credentials rather than the original documents. Microsoft is starting with academic records and diplomas, as well as professional credentials. Instead of handing over your diploma to a potential employer, you can provide your employee with the codes to validate your qualifications. If you have a decentralized identifier, I can verify, say, where you went to school, and I don't need you to send in all of that information. Joy Chick, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft's Cloud and Enterprise Identity Division, explained how this works. All I need is to get that digital credential because it's already been verified. I can trust it. In Ethiopia, Cardano is already developing a similar system called Atala Prism, which serves as a decentralized identity system for students to validate their credentials. The Ethiopian Education Minister characterizes it as an initiative aimed at using technology to improve the quality of education in the country. According to the minister, Cardano is one of the top cryptocurrencies that use blockchain technology, and it's a dream come true for them. Indeed, the Ethiopian contract with Cardano is one of the first instances of blockchain technology being used to affect actual socio-economic change. This is due to the lack of digital identity in many African countries, which has resulted in many African countries being excluded from financial activity. Cardano will offer a decentralized digital identity platform similar to Microsoft's that will provide IDs for 5 million students and maintain all of their educational records. The parallels between Microsoft's Azure Active Directory verifiable credentials and Cardano's Italic Prism are striking. Apart from being decentralized digital identity systems, both are open source, so developers may easily create apps for them. With the world finally waking up to blockchain's possibilities and a major behemoth like Microsoft becoming involved, there's a good chance that crypto companies like Cardano can be at the verge of something enormous. Is it wise to invest in Cardano? Cardano has been one of the most successful cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a long-term investment, it could be an excellent choice. Is there a future for Cardano? Cardano is one of those coins with many potentials, which implies it has a bright future ahead of it. Is it possible for Cardano to reach $50? ADA has the potential to skyrocket to $50. To reach the level of ETH, Cardano needs 4.5 times of its current market capitalization. It is preferable to own both ETH and ADA according to crypto experts. Is Cardano ever going to be worth $10? It may take some time, but it's possible if the developments follow the roadmap. So what do you guys think? Do let us know in the comments. And also, keep in mind that and remember that the video is solely for entertainment purposes, and we do not recommend or force you to invest in it. Do your own research or get help from experts.